पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी। मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना, छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना।
तेरी ही बातें हों सुबह सी रातें हों, जब से मिला है तू दिल को मिला सुकून। तू ही राह मेरी तू ही सफर है, तेरी बाहों में अब मेरा घर है।
चैन न जाने दर्द न जाने, दिल तो बस दिल को पहचाने। मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, अब तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना, छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मेरा, तू ही है संसार मेरा मेरा। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मेरा। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा 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 मेरा। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना। तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना।
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning, Sameer. Good morning, all.
Hi Lakshmi, good morning. Hello Rabila, good morning. Hi Shaija, good morning. Hello Bini. Hi Bina, good morning. Hello Sneha, good morning. Thanks for your wonderful support last week. So, yeah.
How are you, Sameer? How are you now?
Yes, now I'm back with more enhanced energy, I can say. Yeah. Good. Okay, we'll start with the warm-up part. In the meanwhile, remaining will join, and then we'll have our revision of the previous movements. And today and tomorrow, let's try to complete the choreography of this Sairiki Falls. Okay? Yeah. Here we go. I'm playing a song, and then we'll start with the warm-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने। मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी। मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना, छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना। ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना
तेरी ही बातें हो सुबह सी रातें हो जब से मिला है तू दिल को मिला सुकून तू ही राह मेरी तू ही सफर है तेरी बाहों में अब मेरा घर है
चैन न जाने दर्द न जाने दिल तो बस दिल को पहचाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा तू ही है संसार मेरा ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा
Sir, I'm not able to see your video. Is it for everybody?
Yes, Padma?
मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा तू ही है संसार मेरा ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना
तेरी ही बातें हो सुबह सी रातें हो जब से मिला है तू दिल को मिला सुकून तू ही राह मेरी तू ही सफर है तेरी बाहों में अब मेरा घर है
चैन न जाने दर्द न जाने दिल तो बस दिल को पहचाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार
Okay, good. So Padma, are we audible now? So connection has been set now? Yes, okay, perfect. You're on mute, Padma.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. So now everything all right?
Yeah, I'm just trying it on my laptop, but it's not working properly today.
Yeah, but actually we are seeing you, but when you are talking, we are not audible, but we are seeing you when you are connecting from your laptop.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. So again, hi everyone. So we'll Okay, we'll start. So here we go. I'm just trying to explain the movements so far what we have done. Okay, so good. So the first one is the violin movement. The first one is the violin movement. Okay, and during the violin movement, are we using the leg movement of what? Okay, it is of S1 or S3. So this is the one. Okay, so this is the leg movement we are using there. Okay, so and with the hands we are doing with the violin one. So the hands we are doing with the violin one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now actually to bring out the actually what are we doing? Okay, so to bring out the grace here, actually what are we doing is always remember the S2, the Tinmar movement. 1, 2, although like my hands are so straight to you. Okay, my hands are straight for the looking. Padma, actually I'm muting you because the disturbance is coming because of two devices. Just I'm keeping you on mute. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So like again I'm telling how to bring out the best from S2 movement I'm trying to explain here. So what's happening here? So now if you see the hands are coming straight, but the upper body part, while we are doing C, when my left hand is there, my upper body actually it is looking towards the right corner. And when I am keeping my right hand, it is showing it is towards the left corner. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 means my upper body part is twisting like this or not during that moment. Okay, 1, see the hand is straight to you but the body is towards the corner. 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that. Yes. So like we're having small complaints, right? Like my body, that grace, I'm not bringing it out like some robotic move, so we can avoid that one with this tip. Great. And while coming back, see from with my elbow, I try to make it the movement. Okay, so I need to show my elbow from elbow point. I need to make the back movement. Okay, so far what are the three? The first one is the violin movement. And during the violin movement, the right hand should be crossing the left hand. So it is not going till there, it has to go till there, it has to cross. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2 like that. Okay, and then this one, hands may be straight to you, but the upper body needs to face the right corner and the left corner. And while coming back, the elbow points. Okay, so then what are we doing? At the lower abdomen, okay, at the abdomen level, lower tummy part, we are keeping the hands upside down and then moving total 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Sadi ki falsa kabhi match kiya re. Okay, so that one we are doing. And then heart falling movement. My heart fell down, roaming here and there. I am trying to catch it. Okay, my heart falling down, going here and there, and I am able to catch it. Good. And after that, again the same music of the same music will repeat, but here to show the variation, instead of violin, we are doing drums. Instead of violin, we are doing drums movement. Okay, good. And after the drums movement, what are we doing? Okay, imaginary rope is there. Imaginary rope is there. So holding it, pulling, pulling, holding it, pulling. Okay. So in your direction, I am showing holding right hand, left hand, pull, right hand, left hand, pull, left hand, right hand, pull, left hand, right hand, pull. Okay, so that is how we are doing that. Great. So while we are pulling the rope, so please assume that like a straight rope. So both your hands should be in the same line. Okay, so don't pull like this or like this. Okay, so try to maintain. Maybe this is also not wrong, but actually this right. So this hand is at the other level, this hand is at the other level, and the perfect sync will not come. Okay, so if you are doing like this, the whole body will be into the same momentum. That is the reason. Okay, great. So that is our step for right 2 times, left 2 times, and then touch karke. So pushing movement 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, while doing down, don't do like this. While doing down, your hand should be like this. While doing down, while pushing down, so your hand should be like this. Up, it will be like this. Okay, good. And then the same we'll be doing on the left side as well. Okay, great. And then we are taking a rotation. And then we are shaking our body. And then again same S3 leg movement, but with the hands what are we doing? We are making circles. Now how to make circles? So like this circle part, what is the perimeter you are going to use is, so from here to here, so this is the perimeter you are using. Okay, this is the perimeter you are using. Okay, don't do simple circles. Okay, don't do vast circles. So what is the perimeter you need to use from here to here? So then it will come based on the music, it will come perfectly. If you use more, the step will become slow. The reason, more space, more time, we need to use less energy. Okay, so in that way, we are consuming more time there. Got it? Okay, perfect. So that is the one we are doing. And after this movement, Sadi Kifalisa, okay? So total, this is the third variant. Third variant of Sadi Kifalisa. The first variant, Sadi Kifalisa, Kabhi main chukiya re. So that is the first one. What is the second variant? Sadi Kifalisa, Kabhi main chukiya re. And the third variant, Sadi Kifalisa, Kabhi main chukiya re. Okay, so this is the movement we are using. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So how to bring out this movement effectively? Okay. So imagine that like you are shooting someone. Okay. Imagine that you are shooting someone. Now, what is the hand level and how you are facing your head? So when you are shooting someone, like how you are facing your head, like keeping your head like bending like this or like this, and how is the level? Okay, the same level by keeping like imagining that you are shooting someone. Okay, so if you do, okay, the hand level with the body it maintains properly, and then it will come effectively. Okay, so Sadi Kifalisa, kabhi main chukiya re, chod diya dil. So now this movement, so now let's twist upside down now. Okay, so Sadi Kifalisa, kabhi main chukiya re, like that. Great. So till this point, let's practice one time. Hi Ramesh, hello Rai sir. Hi Pranita. Hi Nisha.
Hi sir, I will not be able to come on video today. I'm sorry.
No problem.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Please try to follow. That's it.
Yes, please. Thank you.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चलती बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे।
Okay. Okay. Hi, sir. Hello, Ashok. Good morning. So, like, what's happening afterwards? So, I am trying to use the opposite of 21 and 22. So, what is the opposite of 21 and 22? In 21, in 22, the legs are coming inside, like the heels are coming inside. Okay. So, here, opposite of 21 and 22 means I just want to take my toes outside. Okay. Toes outside. So, and I'm using 27, 28 hand movement here, 27 hand movement here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it? Now, for example, if your leg is not twisting that much, okay, so during that time, like 1, if it is 10 degrees, or if you are twisting like that also, that's fine, okay. So, but, okay, one simple tip, let me tell you, the variation and how the body coordination should be there for women and men, okay. Always try to remember how we are in choreography, how we are differentiating the movements and how to bring out the best from ladies and how to bring best from the gents. Ladies all the time, from this part to the head, okay, you need to show, okay, the complete body wise, you need to show low energy, and from this part to this part, you need to maintain medium energy along with the expressions. Ladies, okay. And coming to the gents, they have to use the complete body with the bounces, okay. So actually this is the phenomena we generally follow, okay. But that too, like when the performance is more than 3 minutes or 4 minutes. 3 minutes or 4 minutes, so that is how we are saving energy. What I'm telling is, the people, like if your legs are not supporting, okay, then you can keep this in mind and you can bring best out of that. Okay, so now if your leg is not twisting that much also, just a little bit the leg movement, maybe you are shaking it or rising it or leveling it or moving a little bit, anything is fine, okay. But what is that 8 count movement? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's see the same movement along with the music once.
के दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे।
Okay. Okay, so that is what we are doing there in that music. Now, let's try to practice like 3 leg movements. Level 1, level 2, level 3 leg movements. What are they? Okay, so basically these are the part of, like not only this, like we have seen attention, stand it is, attention, stand it is in our 27-28. Okay, so that one. And even S1, S2, sorry, S1 and S3 leg movements. And now these leg movements. Mostly to these leg movements, if we add the basic bounce, basic bounce means like hip, thigh, knee, they have to be in synchronization. Okay, they have to be in the synchronization. That is the basic bounce. To the leg movements, if we are adding that bounce, okay, so that will be covering your hip hop movements. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the leg movement of our 27-28. Okay, so now I am not using hands for S1 and S3 leg movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you see here, the same S1, S3 leg movement, but with the basic bounce. Great. So now in a similar way, now these 3 levels, how we are using in the choreography. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And everyone knows what I am doing with my hands, right? What are my hands doing means, this exercise will increase the coordination between the hands and legs. Okay, so 1, 2, I came right, 3, 4, now I came left. Okay, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the advanced version of this one, okay, the advanced version of this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But that one we are not using. Concentrate on this. Okay, 4 plus 4. Don't concentrate on complete 8 as of now, but I just wanted to say that. Okay, good. So right side. Okay, we can complete right side now. Okay, now go left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And in how many ways we can do this one? Okay, for example, simply I can move leg like that and leg like this, and again like that, like this. Now one more time, lifting and placing, lifting and placing, lifting and placing, lifting and placing. Okay, got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the basic bounce. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so many variations we can do. Okay, so but what is the basic one? Right leg, left leg, left leg, right leg. Okay, so the right side is there and my left leg coming and launching just beside my leg. Okay, now level 2. Level 2, what's happening? Right. Now this come will not come and sit here. Actually it goes back. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now the third level. Third level. So side we completed, back we completed. Now this leg will come and have the front position now. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this one also in multiple ways we can do. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in that way. So total 3 levels. The first level, the leg is coming and keeping sideways. Now in the second level, it going back. The third level going front. Okay, good. Now in the song, what are we doing? We are using level 2 first, level 1 next. Okay, and after some time we are using level 3. I'm going to show that. So now this level 2, what is level 2? Show me everyone. What is level 2? Right, left leg is coming and back. Left, right leg is coming and back. Okay, so this one. Now keep your hands like this. Keep your hands like this. Okay, always like why I'm saying, okay, this one, I'll tell you. I'll tell you why this one, okay? So now, 1, 2, okay? I'm not using, I can use 4 count again here, but I'm using 2 count to bring out some speed. I'll tell you what. See, for example, if I'm taking 4 count, how it will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, if it is 4 count means like 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I say 2 count, okay, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So when I say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, automatically your body will bring some speed. But if we say like 1, 2, 3, 4, then you will take some time. Oh, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Like that, your brain will consider like that, and it may take some time. So that's the reason what I did, the 4 count, I'm telling you like 2 count to bring the speed from your body automatically. Okay. Now when I say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, you will do that speed automatically. Okay, great. Okay, perfect. Now, this one 8 count we'll use. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And whenever you are doing like that, this will not be in the A. You need to touch the ground. Okay, touching the ground, touching the ground. Don't keep in the air. Okay, don't keep in the air. Kindly maintain this position, because if we maintain this position while going the other direction, the movement will come nicely. If we keep in the air, then you are keeping like this means it will not come down to down. It will come up to down. Okay, so that's the reason. So you can touch it. Touch to the ground. Don't keep in the air. Okay, good. Now the level 1. Now the level 1 leg movement. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what I'm using is, I'm doing the hands over the head. Over the head 1, below the head 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1 above the head, 1 below the head. Above the head I'm taking my leg. Below the head I'm taking my leg. Above, below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is 1? See, overhead movement and the leg both are going. Now both are, now again both. Okay. So how Samir got this movement? Okay, how Samir got this movement? How I choreographed this movement? So as I told, like lifting the leg, right? Lifting the leg, right? So for example, lifting my right leg and placing there, lifting my left leg and placing there. In the same way, instead of doing it the down lifting, I just made like, okay, lift, Now lift. Lift. Okay, now lift. So that is how I made this step. Great. Super. So till this, let's see with the music.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चलती बच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे। कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे। साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे।
Okay. So, what is the next movement that we are doing? Okay. So, always when I say defense left, when I say defense left, your left hand defense should come. Okay. When I say defense left, like this. Defense right, like this. Okay. Now, defense left, we are keeping the hand like this. One circle down, one circle up, one circle side, one circle above your head. Okay. So generally this music, whatever, so whatever this music we are doing, if you see in the video song, 2 times it will come. If you see in MP3 version, 1 time it will come. Okay. So whenever you are doing for 2 times, for example, all of a sudden while you are performing, if it is coming for 2 times, then you can go for your right defense. Okay, for the left defense you did right. Now go for right defense and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and don't forget while I am using my left defense, I am tapping my right leg. I am tapping my right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if I am doing like this, I should tap my left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are tapping, the bounce will come automatically. Okay. If you are tapping like that, the bounce will come automatically. Good. Good now. So, after this movement, just listen to the song once. I'll tell one thing. How the choreography we can make easily and how the analysis should be, I'll tell you.
साया जब से मिला तेरा साया भाया, मुझे हर बार तू भाया लाया, सपने हजार तू लाया, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे 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 जैसे आया, जब से है यार तू आया.
So the lyrics from Aya सबसे मिलाते, from that to ऐसे 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 ऐसे. So this set is 8 plus 10. So how many movements should come for this particular music is 8 and 10, total 18. Okay, and how many times in the song this thing will come? 2 charanams and 2 times, total 4. So 4 into 18. Okay, so now let's concentrate on those 14 actually. Sorry, on those 36 actually. Okay, so let's see, and the remaining patchwork we will do. Okay, remaining patchwork we will do for your easy understanding. This 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 in the charanam 1. So total 18 plus 18, 36 here. and in Charanam 2, 18 and 18. One more 36. So don't get scared. These many 72 moves are we doing, means more than 100 here, maybe like near to 150 or something like that we are doing, but don't keep that number in mind. So now, like, what is that count? Like 8 and 10, what are we doing? So the 50, the movement number 50, okay, so how we are doing that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so movement number 50 is nothing but, if you remember, we practice. For example, if there is a drum, okay, so the drum, like I am placing the drum on my left leg at a time. 1. If it is a guitar, 1. If it is a violin, 1. Okay, if it is tabla, 1. In the same way, like here, what I am trying to make you is, so to the left corner I face, and then 1. How I am learning is 1, 1, 2, 6 and 7 movement. Okay. So the 6 and 7 movement, hand movement will come like this, right? So, but before that, I just wanted to make the hands like this and immediately it is shifting like this. Okay, so where the complete opposite coordination is happening and the step will come perfectly. So that is the reason we are doing this movement. Of course, it will be like little bit tricky, but try to understand that what are we doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is first 18. This is first 18. What are they? Again, I am repeating. So first 4 movements we are repeating 3 times. Means 3 into 4. 12 movements we are getting there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now listen carefully. While we are doing this 1 and 2, see my leg head movement also. 1, 1, 1. So it is aligned with my hand. Okay, if it is going like this. Okay, so sayang sabse mila tera sayang sayang na tera sayang yadan terdari ra aise aise aise. So what is that aise? Okay, so this aise movements in different ways we are doing. So the first one is aise aise aise. So first 2 slow, remaining 4 fast. But because of the music, your brain will tell you don't do the last one. No, please try to complete all 4 count. Okay, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 90% of the people will miss because they want to go for the next thing. Okay, so don't worry, the music will be there. Our complete concentration, we should complete the movement. We should complete the movement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now, what is this first 18? Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so that is first 18. Okay, we'll see with the music ones.
हजार तू लाया ऐसे
Okay, so now one thing I'm trying to say, like try to understand this one. Really, it's tricky, but if you are made it, it is very good. That's the reason the same movement 3 times we are repeating. Okay, to get the measure and perfection of that one, we are repeating 3 times because it's little bit tricky. So we need to spend some time on that, and we need to get out of that. Okay, great. So again, I am repeating what is that first 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, good. And then now next 18. Now next 18. What is the next 18? Okay, come 1, come. Okay, 1, 2, 43. Come 44. So what is 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. The leg, right corner back, left corner back. Hand movement 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this movement 2 ways we can do. Okay, so this one actually going there and doing like this, or else like while going only we can do like this. While going to the corner only we can 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but actually that will come eventually. My suggestion like go there, tap there and come back. Go there, tap there and come back. So like we are starting our like beginning level, right? So please try to do like that. Otherwise, like if it is best choreography or with the fast movements means like we'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but here let's go slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is this 8 now? What is the 8 count now? 1. What is next? 2. Yeah. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how many more movements we need to make in this particular set? 8 completed. Now 10. Now 10. Okay. So now 10. What is the first one? Okay. Corner. I'm using like this. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 completed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Always in this set, 7, 8, 9, 10 means last 4 movements of 18 will come fast because essay, because of that sounding, last 4 we are doing bit fast. Okay, so what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what exactly I am doing here? Okay, so now I am facing your direction to the right side, front corner, to the right side, back corner. I am taking my waist and my leg with my hand movement. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so to the right corner, front and back. I am taking my waist and leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So then what I am doing? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Good. Now let's see this one. with the music.
मुझे हर बार तू भाया लाया, सपने हजार तू लाया, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे 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 जैसे आया, जब से है यार तू आया छाया, बन के है प्यार तू छाया लाया, सपने हजार तू लाया, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे
सच करके मेरे सपने सच करके कहाँ चल दी बच।
Okay. So now 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 total 36. Now let's continue this 36 ones. Okay, let's continue this 36 ones. How we are starting? What is the first one? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, good. Now, this is of our Charanam 1. Now, again the same thing will come. Of course, some other music is there, but let's concentrate the next Charanam also. Why? Because let's maintain this 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 momentum. Okay, now in the next Charanam also the same music will come again. Okay, so again 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10. Now, what is the first set? We know 11 and 12, right? We know 11 and 12. Okay, so show me once 11 and 12. Show me once, everyone. Good. So the extending hands we are using. Okay, so we are extending hands. But here in this choreography, let's not use extending hands. Let's use short hands. Let's use short hands. Means 1, 2. The same 11 and 12 only. I am using short hands. Why short hands? Again, no extension, short hands. We reduce the space, so more time, more energy. So that is the reason speed will come automatically. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we are using 8 and 9 of our basic 50. Okay, so what is the 8? What is the 8 set here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now 8 over. Now we need to concentrate on 10. Okay, so what is the 10 here? We know the leg movement of 15, 16, 17, 18. 15, 16, 17, 18. 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, for this 15, 16, 17, 18, I am taking the help of 35 and 36. Okay, so I am just substituting 35, 36 to 15, 16, 17, 18. How is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. The leg movements 1, 2, 3, 4. But what I am doing, I am substituting the 35, 36 move. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. No confusion, right? So 35, 36 we are using here. Right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so
Sir.
twist and twist.
Sir,
Yeah, Ravina.
are you teaching in the same order as in the song? Or what about that namaste and all?
Yeah. That's what Rabila actually. What I'm trying to explain is 8 and 10. Yeah, 8 and 10 is there, right, in the Charnam one. The same actually we are going to repeat there, right? If I explain there again 8 and 10, so you may not receive, right? That's the reason. All 8 and 10s we are discussing, and then in between we'll be having again.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so everyone understood, right? So what I'm trying to explain is this essay. So in the Charanam 1, 2 times we'll listen, and in Charanam 2, 2 times we'll listen. So what are we trying to do? That 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 of first Charanam, 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 of second Charanam, we're learning now. Okay, in between that moments, I'll be telling you. Okay, to say maintain the same momentum of 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10. So I'm telling all this thing. Okay, so again, so what are we doing here? 15, 16, 17, 18 we used, and after that, essay. So the fist and fist. So the fist and fist. Essay, like that. Okay, good. Now let's see the 8 plus 10 all together once. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what is 5, 6, 7, 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Yes. So it's straight hands, Rabila. It's straight hands, and we are beating fist and fist. Okay. So what is the direction? Right corner, left corner. Essay. Okay, right corner, left corner, and right corner, left. So total 4. Okay. So again, 8 plus 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 got completed. Now only one more 18 left in this set, in this particular set. Okay. So what is that? What is that? Show me 19 and 20. 19, 20. Everyone knows, right? 19, 20. 19, 20. Our basic 50 moves. What is this? 19, 20. Yes. So now here I am using level 1 leg movement. What is level 1 leg movement? 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone knows, right? So what I am doing here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what I am doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 19 2 times, 20 2 times. See, 19, 19, 20, 20, 19, 19, 20, 20. So total 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. Now 4 over. Now next we need to bring 4 more. 4 more. 5, 6. So after this one, our legs are at the attention position, right? So we are separating them. That is 5 and 6. Okay. So we are at this part, right? Like 5, 6. 7, 8 or 23, 24. Okay. So now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, so again, for the sake of Lakshmi ma'am and a few others, I'm teaching the basic of 19 and 20 again. Okay, so get ready. The bike or cycle or Activa. Okay, now start going. Start going. Yes. Now our body is bringing whatever the wave movement. Okay, so how we are doing like this. So okay, that one. So that is the primary part. Now, namaste everyone. Namaste everyone. And distance between hands, little bit distance between hands. Okay. So when I say 19 or when I say 1, the right hand should go to right corner and left hand should come to left corner. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now actually, if this is going to right corner, this much extent, and this hand how much extent it go and how the placing should be. Okay, 1, the 2 here. See, the left hand should be to your tummy level. Okay, so 1, 2. See, now my right hand is at my tummy level. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we are bringing that cycle, bicycle, bike movement here. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, perfect now. Okay, so the same thing we are using here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very good. Now, how many more now? How many more? 8 completed. How many more? 10. Now, this 10, we know the pulling and pushing movement, right? Okay, so pull, push, pull, push. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yahoo! 5, 6. Essay. Okay, so 1. Sorry, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 10. Okay. Again, what we did, the last set of 10. Yeah, Rashmi.
See, when you are doing these hand movements, like this, be it this or whatever.
Yeah.
First, right hand, right corner, then you are doing to your left.
Yes.
Then one should be from the right or how?
No. Again, we are starting from the right again.
Again, right only. So
Yes.
every time
Yes. For example, 1, 2, we completed. Again, we are starting from right only.
every time it will be like that only.
Yes, exactly. From here to there only we will be going.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Lakshmi. Okay. So, let me add some more information to the Lakshmi's question. 1 we completed, 2 completed. Why not we are starting from here to there? Why we are doing from here to here? Why? Because essay started in our right direction. So the first essay started in our right direction. So we can do like this also, but the momentum, how we can shift the paradigm, okay? So that is the reason, again, we are going back and we are bringing here. Why? Because essay completed, again I am doing the same movement fast. Okay, that is the reason for the shift paradigm we are doing 2 times from right to left. Okay, so yes, that's it. Okay, so that is 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 and 8 plus 10 and 8 plus 10. Now the second Charnam's 8 plus 10 we will see once. Okay, the second Charanams, 8 plus 10 and 8 plus 10, we will see once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? Good. Okay, we'll see with the music once.
Very tough one, sir.
Yes, which one? Yeah.
Very tough because all single. No.
Yes, sir. If you observe right, like in both the 8 plus 10 and 8 plus 10, one set. In Charanam 1 set, I designed like little bit tricky and easy. And in the Charanam 2, the first section is easy.
Yes.
And the second section, this 1921, little bit tricky. Okay. So the reason I will tell what will happen. So the same like if I keep the same movements, how the people of judging or the audience mindset all the time, how it will be there. If we keep the same dance choreography, okay, slowly, like why? Because we are learning and doing and substituting and we are trying to learn. Okay, so the people will start questioning that, is this dance? Is this dance? What is this? And even if we see like if we type in the YouTube like Sari Ki Fall is a choreography, everyone like they'll do dum 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 like fast beats. Means what happening there? I told right like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The complete things 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. They will get minimum time to complete these 8 movements. So fast they need to do. Okay. Here what we are trying to do, at least like we are not going that much fast, but with the same movements we can do fast, but like we are trying to keep and trying to show the movements very clearly. So my target audience is when I post this video, Sari Ki Fall is a choreography with slow and clear movements. If I upload like this in the YouTube, then people will receive it. So the same video, if I upload, Sari Ki Fall is a dance cover, then I may get comments, right? Is this dance? I can do more faster than you, man. Like, what is this? Okay. So means what I'm trying to tell is the people mindset and coming to the song number. That is the reason I just designed one tricky part. Tricky part also not that much difficult, but with the practice we can achieve that. Okay. So the next one is simple one. So these two I just combined. And if you observe like how I choreograph, I'll tell you. See, it's very simple. So this 50 and 6 and 7 we completed. Now I'm thinking, okay, so 15, 16, 17, 18 we have done. Perfect. Now what else we didn't use? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are already using like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the same one we modified and we are using. And then 5. Yes. Sari Ki Fall is up. During that time we already used 5. And 6 and 7 already used. 8 and 9 already used. 10. Yes. We have used that. And we have shaped our body. 11, 12, we used. 11, 12, used. 13, 14, yes. 13, 14, which is opening the door, I did not use. I need to use now. But why to open the door? Now this time I'll close the door. Now this time I'll close the door. 1 closed, 2 closed, 3 closed, 4 closed. Okay. So, and while closing, I have come 4 steps forward. Now I need 1 more steps to go 4 steps backward. So now I am using, but rowdy walk already we have used at the first. That's the reason now I am using moonwalk. Okay, now I am using moonwalk to go back. 4 movements. Okay. Now, okay, what else we used? So 13, 14, just now we have used it by closing the door. Now 15, 16, 17, 18 used, 19, 20 used, 21, 22, 23, 24 used. Okay, now 25, 26, pulling, pushing, used, 27, 28. Both the hand movements we used already. At the first level we used this. Now essay, we have used that. Now what else? Okay, 25, 26 over, 27, 28 over, now 29, 30. So 29, 30. Now how I am using that? I'll show you.
टच करके दिल मेरा क्यों स्क्रैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे
So at that point, I am using the 29 and 30. So coming right to left, instead of doing like this, cut karke, सीधे cut karke, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And then at the beginning we have used these two. Now I am using these two there. Okay? So, okay, anyway, now let's try to see the complete song once you will get some idea. Okay? And my suggestion, if you see, while doing for the first time after this, 1, 2, 3, 4, I forgot, 5, 6, 7, 8. I forgot, Samir forgot, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So now I am normal. I am Samir. I am teaching 75 students per week. I forgot the movement. What is this? Let me become like Rami Krishna in Narsimha movie and going back in a room and closing the door and suffering for 25 years? No. That is normal. Okay. So just now you have seen 1, 2, 3, 4. I have done 5, 6, 7, 8. I forgot. So that's normal. When it will come perfectly, when we practice. Okay. So okay, let's do that from beginning once. Yes.
साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे टच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे।
साया जब से मिला तेरा साया भाया, मुझे हर बार तू भाया लाया, सपने हजार तू लाया, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे 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 जैसे आया, जब से है यार तू आया छाया, बन के है प्यार तू छाया लाया, सपने हजार तू लाया, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे
सच करके मेरे सपने सच करके, कहाँ चल दी बच करके, टच करके टच करके टच करके दिल मेरा क्यों स्क्रैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे।
घर से जली में जहाँ कभी घर से सर से चुनरी कहाँ उड़ी सर से डर से निकली ये जा मेरी डर से, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे 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 जैसे बरसे घटा कहीं बरसे दर से, मेरे अरमां सभी दर से डर से निकली ये जा मेरी डर से, ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे
कट करके सीने से दिल कट करके, कहाँ चलती बज करके, कट करके दिल कहाँ फिर पैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे, साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे।
Okay, so let's revise that 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10, the total set one more time, and remaining in between whatever the patches are there, we are doing that as well. Okay, good. And if you see the second half, we are repeating the older moves. Okay, so out of 5 variants of Sarikifalisa, 2 variants we have done, and then we have completed the song. Good. So thank you so much for standing and practicing this much of time. Great. And you can note down your tricky moves, and this step, actually it is bothering me. Identify the type of step and share within the forum. We'll discuss it. So now, out of this 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10, which 8 plus 10 you felt hard? Little bit of hard.
I don't remember the sequence of the song at all.
Yes. Okay.
The last 8 plus 10 is so tricky for me.
Yeah, the last 8 plus 10, where we have substituted that's 19, 20. Yes. Okay.
I have
Okay.
problems with steps. This 19, 20, and then this step also, that 6, 7, that doesn't come at all. I mean, I feel I don't have that grace, or I feel so awkward to do it, kind of.
Oh, okay, got it. So, for example, if there is a question, like I'm having a question, like for example, are you able to do like keep the awkward and not able to do like those things? If you said aside, are you able to do this 50 alone? Are you able to do 6 and 7 alone? Alone, I mean not with 50. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, it's not the question of not being able to do it, but I feel that when I do it very awkwardly.
Okay, so in that case, like don't feel like that. First of all, the simple answer will be don't feel like that. The second will be like my observation and my thing. Two things like out of this 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10, the first set and the last set. Okay, the first set and last set I made tricky from my side. Okay, I am admitting that purposefully I did that. The only reason, okay, at the song, wherever if I see like our music softwares will be there, right? Where the spike and beat goes up, whenever the graph reaches up. So during that time, actually, I made things little bit fast and tricky. Okay, so the reason if I am not doing like that, okay, so the song for like the choreography for the Sariki Falsa will not get the complete justice. Okay, so the simple thing, the simple like suggestion what I can tell. Okay, so the 15, 16, 17, 18 everyone knows, right? 15, 16, 17, 18. While I was learning 15, 16, 17, 18 for the first time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The folding is not coming for me like this. Always 1, 2, 3, 4. The folding is coming like this, the horizontal side, but the vertical folding I am not getting only. So this is the case happened with me. Okay, so this one I am not getting. While trying to do that, I am taking the waist that side, the waist this side, like this the movement is coming, but not the folding. Okay, so my master scolded me. Okay, so Rajesh, the assistant of Ganesh Acharya sir, like he scolded me. What happened? Okay, so actually I felt bad like in front of everyone. Actually he told that what is this, like this is the like n number of times we did, but you are unable to do that. Okay, you practice and with the perfection you come back. So this is the word he told. At the home also, like I'm trying and trying. So I decided one thing. So in Telugu actually there is a like by-hearting system is there, right? Okay, by-hearting system in like in Telugu we used to call it as batti. Okay, so in the same thing, like okay, let me by-heart this one. Okay, so started. So initially I practiced only the folding. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 2, 2, 2. Now 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now if you see why I am going back again after 1 for 2, why my legs are going back, it should not go. Okay, now let me practice again. 1, 2. Okay, now let me go back again. 1, 2. Okay, let me repeat. 1, 2. Now there is 3 and 4. Only 1 and 2. What I am doing? I am by-hearting the movement. Why? Because I am not able to do this 15, 16, 17, 18 multiple number of times. Okay, so now what I need to do? 1, 2. Okay, this one. Now I need to do 3 and 4. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, let me go back. 3, 4. Okay, let me go back. 3, 4. Now let me do completely. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, like 10 days I took to make this one. I took 10 days to make this 15, 16, 17, 18. And if you observe one more thing, while I am including this 15, 16, 17, 18 in our 50 plus 4, like in our 5-day session, I can keep my easy movement, right? But why I am giving 15, 16, 17, 18? The only reason is this particular movement bothered me once. I'll take revenge on this movement by doing multiple number of times. Still I am taking that revenge. Okay, still I am taking that revenge by teaching that. I am not teaching my easy movement. I am teaching my tough move to the people. Okay, and I am making the people to do that in very short span of time. In that way, I am satisfying my inner ego on that 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so the same by hearting system why I am telling. I am not getting one step here. Please practice in the same way. Okay, so for example, 1. Don't go for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only 1. If you feel you got that one, then go for 2 times. Why? Because 1 we are repeating, right? 1, 2. Now my head is not moving. I am able to identify that my head is not moving. Okay, so let me move my only head alone. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Now substitute hands. 1, 2. Okay. Now this 1, 2 part, okay. Now 3, 4 alone, I am okay to do that. But 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, the shifting is there, right? There I am getting problem. Now take only 2 and 3 now. Don't take 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't take 1 and 4. Just take this 2 and 3. What is the 2 and 3? 2, 3. 2, 3. So when we are practicing multiple number of times, okay, 2 is this, 3 is this, means the hands we are doing like this and immediately we are shifting like this. Okay, oh, the hand shifting is okay, this much only, okay. We are doing like this and we are doing like this. Or doing like this and doing like this. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, now let me do 1, 2, 3, 4 now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is how we need to practice. Okay, let me do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you practice like this by taking some time. If it is not coming to you, like, no, nothing will possible in this life. Maybe not Corona second wave, maybe I may survive or I may not survive till the 8th wave is coming. Okay, like, where is the 8th wave? We are not sure, like, what is the second wave, and someone is telling the Delta variant and someone is saying the some other variant. What's happening? Okay, so let's think about the variants and variations of our dance moves. Okay, let's not think about that and let's not get more negatively. Practice in this way, definitely will achieve. Okay, and it is completely normal, not only to you, like forgetting the moves. Second time also I forgot today. Okay, second time also I forgot today. And even Rabila corrected me so many times. And even the explanation of the dance moves when I kept, Samir sir, like, where is the extension of the hands? Okay, so that is normal. That is normal. Okay, so it's completely normal. So don't think about that. Only thing is the perfection. Okay, and are we doing it for one time? The other video, like, I'm going to send the video for this complete song tomorrow. I took 7 to 8 takes. 7 to 8 takes. Why? Because I'm keeping the phone. I started dancing. If I forgot the move, and I don't like joining the videos. Okay, till this video, I'll cut it. And one more perfect video, I'll join it. No. Stop it. Delete that video. Start from again. Maybe second time and third time, my body will be more flexible now for doing the movements. Okay, now the perfect outcome will come. So maybe the 8th outcome or the 9th outcome is hitting our WhatsApp inbox. Okay, so in that way the things will work out. Forgetting the things, normal. Why means just now we learned that and we are trying to perform that. Okay, just now we learned that and we are trying to perform that. That is the only reason. And the multiple times we did, then why we are not forgetting this first one, the violin? Just tell me the answer. Because we are starting the dance with the violin. That is the reason we are not forgetting. So n number of times, whenever ting 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 song is starting, hands are going automatically. Why? Because that is how we started. So n number of times we did. So okay, why I'm telling this much theory class? Because your brain should not go into the negative part of the country. Okay, so we should not become like jihadis. So let's try to make it so simple. What is that? Okay, this is 1. This is 2. Let's practice. Okay, and anyway, video I'm going to send it. So for your reference practice. So you can see that, and our technology is helping us a lot, right? Slow motion, fast motion, this much, 0.25 speed, 0.75 speed, 0.95 speed. Okay, so with that help, we can make it. So great. And tomorrow class, don't miss. We are completing this choreography and what is the part of basic elements of dance, and I'm going to take a few of your favorite songs and I'm going to dance instantly. That is not part of this 50 and 4 or whatever the new moves. By understanding the basic elements, instantly how we can create some new moves, like just like the crazy dance we used to say, right? Some music is coming and I'm cutting potato, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Some crazy dance, like we'll try to bring it out from our body, okay? So there's no sequence, no particular structure of the dance, like what for particular song, what the movement we are getting, and then let's substitute. Okay, great day. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, just practice 1 time or 2 times. I'm going to send the video and we'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Bye everyone, take care.
Thanks,
Yeah,
sir.
Lakshmi.
Bye, sir.
Bye Padma, take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you everyone. Thanks Ramesh, thanks Saija, thanks Bina, thanks Sindhu, thanks Bini.
Thank you, sir.
Bye Ashok. So you have joined bit late, but anyway, like the initial choreography, I'm going to send the recording and also my personal video will be sending out, so you can use that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Bye Sneha, bye Pranita, bye Sangeeta. Take care. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.